offered, well, maybe not offered, I asked him, agreed to give. I want to say that somebody asked me yesterday at lunch whether this is a privilege that is reserved for Nizar or whether some others could have this privilege. So everybody could have this privilege. If any of you have something to impart to the rest of the group, we will welcome it and we will schedule it. And we're in fact not just welcome it, we encourage it. So please, I forgot who asked me that question. I suppose otherwise he'd be on the hook already. But so you can still escape, but all right, so please.
Thank you. So this is a tutorial that I've given before a few times, and every time I try to kind of style it more toward the audience, and we have a very special kind of audience here because a lot of you guys have been asking a lot of questions, you know, in the lab about specific things. So hopefully I'll be able to answer a lot of these questions, but if you have any questions, like stop and ask me in the middle of this. So this is, you know, if you make it as interactive as possible. So basically the goal here is not to talk about computational solutions or approaches to how to solve things, but more of, you know, the basic phenomena and concepts. And maybe, you know, I put a lot of references to what's been done, but I'm not going to be discussing specific work. It's just kind of, you know, here's the situation of this language that we're interested in.
That's just for today or all three?
It's going to be for all three of them. The three parts are actually, I'll describe what the three parts are going to be about in a second. So a big part of the distinction that I make actually here is on the usage of the word Arabic. So there's Arabic as in the Arabic script and Arabic as in the Arabic language. And these are very different things. And then even when we talk about Arabic language, we need to make a distinction between standard Arabic and the different dialects. And you'll see this distinction being made throughout the tutorial. So basically there's three parts that are going to be done here. Today we'll be doing basically part one, where we talk about the orthography. So this has to do more of the basics of the Arabic script. And it's not just, it's actually quite tied with everything else. All of these pieces are quite involved in each other. But you know, we'll start by the orthography, and then in the second part I'm going to be doing the morphology and start with the syntax, and then the third part, the third lecture, will basically finish up with syntax, talk about machine translation issues and dialects. And I'm hoping here for the machine translation that over the next couple of weeks, the more questions that come up, I'll actually integrate them. So I'm actually improving my tutorial given your feedback here. So I'm gonna like doing this, so good. All right, so orthography, we're going to start with talking about the Arabic script, what are its features, then specifically talk about phonology of